Hello, I know it's been a minute. My name is Melissa. I'm with Lucy Nail Soaps, as in I am Lucy Nail Soaps, and I do curse. So if you don't like that, you know, you can find somebody else to watch. Thank you for stopping by. All right, let's get right in it, guys. This is another neighbor soap. I guess I'm just going to do a little neighbor series. I mean, fuck it. This is for the little guy next door. So this is like a Bastille recipe, which is heavy on the olive oil, and I went heavy on the butters as well. So this is going to be very gentle. Fragrance is Aromatherapy by Nurture, and it's very, oh, I love this scent. I didn't love it out of bottle, but in the soap, it just transforms. I can't explain it. So just mellow and wonderful. Colorants or Mad Micas, of course. I did a mixture for the green. I think I did a little Crazy Eyes and Enchanted Forest for the green. Oh, you know what? That blue is aquamarine blue. That is not from Mad Micas. That's just from Amazon. The yellow is, though. That's Bright Yellow Raincoat from Mad Micas. So the green and the yellow. I lied. And, yeah. So the recipe I did is because, you know, I did it for him because I believe he's 2. Close to 3. But anyway, so I thought, well, I've done a bar for his sisters, both of his sisters. I've done a bar for his parents. Why not do a bar straight for him? And, you don't have to be a kid to use this. It's just a very moisturizing, gentle recipe. Like I said, mostly olive oil and lots of butters. Low coconut oil, so it's not as cleansing, but it is very moisturizing. And it smells so good, y'all. I cannot explain this scent. I think I should start looking up scent notes before I begin recording. So anyway, now this fragrance does accelerate, which I was prepared for and wanted. I wanted to do a soap for him exactly like I did. So it really worked out. And this is the kind of stuff, and again, I know I keep saying this, I'm going to bring more, I'm going to start like the teaching thing about how I do it from beginning to end, and more sculpting videos. But for right now, just if you have a fragrance that accelerates, and it says it on the bottle, use it for layering. That's exactly what I did. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your color. Now, do whatever you want to do, but take your color, put your fragrance just in that color or just in that batter. Hell, you can split the colors off into, let's say you're doing 3 colors. Well, split them into 6. And then, there you go. Now you can just put the fragrance in each color at a time and do 6 layers with your 3 colors. But anyway, you get what I'm saying. So it literally sat for 3 minutes, and I'm able to texture it and move on. So scents like that, perfect for stuff like this. Texturing, layering. You could even do, like let's say I did that bottom layer with my accelerating fragrance oil. You can let it sit, and then with your other 2 colors, you can stir in the fragrance oil real quick and pour it in the same pot and do it in the pot swirl on top of this layer that's already set up. So many possibilities. But anyway, this is what I decided to do for him. I just kind of wanted to do a little layered soap with one of the colors in the layer. So you'll see what I mean. Like the blue layer has a tiny drop of yellow. So the green layer is going to have a tiny drop of blue. And then the yellow layer is going to have both. And see, since it's accelerated, you just kind of stir it in, drop it in, and get you a bamboo stick like I did. Yeah, so anyway, I'm so awkward at this. I do want to, I think my next video, I'm going to do from beginning to end. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I do my soap, my recipes, my process from beginning to end. And it may help people, it may not, but, you know, that's what we're going to do. So, yeah. And as I go through it, maybe people want to know where to order from, where I get some of my supplies, da-da-da-da-da. That's going to help soon as well, because I'm going to do an unboxing for several orders I've made. One order is for butters and a few oils for my new body butters that are coming out. And another order is a humongous order from Flaming Candle. So I'm going to do a scent unboxing in the next couple days. And so who knows, maybe I will actually describe some of the scents this time. I've already got one from Nurture. Check it out if you haven't. I half-ass tell you what they smell like. I can't. Either way. So yeah, I will start, you know, after my unboxings, I think I'm going to do a beginning to end, how I formulate my soap, what I do from there, how, you know, where I order, where you can order, blah, blah, blah. We'll do that. And then maybe I'll start kind of, I'll have one of my kids or my tripod film me while I sculpt, especially after I get the first Pirates of the Caribbean out. Y'all, I swear it's coming. I know. What I decided to do is just the Johnny Depp line is out, and now I'm just going to do a Pirates of the Caribbean line separate from the Johnny Depp line. Even though it's inspired by Johnny Depp, it will only be the 5 pirates that he is in. Fuck a bunch of pirates 6. If you don't know why I'm doing a Johnny Depp line and Pirates line, you guys can certainly look that up. He is going through a hell of a time right now. Hell of a time. But anyway, so I'm kind of nearing the end. I wanted you guys to see what I did to the top. I think I grab a little bit more blue here in a second. Yes. Yeah, that's right. It's been a minute since I filmed this. I'm so late putting this out. I am so sorry. But the fun part comes up in a sec. Or at least I think it is. But yeah, and if you want advice on like, well, I don't want to read a bunch of shit. Okay, well, watch Incredibly Average's videos on the Johnny Depp situation. Watch that Umbrella Guy, Come Geek Some, Spiritually Empowered Coaching, Stevie J. Raw. Might be forgetting one or two. Oh, Darth News. Now look, I love him, and if you don't mind cursing and craziness, definitely check him out. He is fucking hilarious. But if you want, like, seriously, the facts, start with Incredibly Average and then go in order from there. Great YouTubers and actual facts. I'm not talking about no bullshit opinion. There are a lot of people that they're following this really closely. Johnny Depp and his crazy ex-wife. So if you want the lowdown on why I even started that whole Pirates and Johnny line, just watch them. They'll tell you everything. And I may make my own video on it one day. We'll see, because I have a lot to say. So anyway, yep, there we go. All I did was just kind of texture the top, make it fun for Tullis, and there we go. And that's why it's named TULLELLOW, because his name's Tullis, and he likes Lello. So I thought, well, perfect name. And ta-da. There it is. No glitter or anything for the little man. Just straight Bastille, colorful goodness. Yay. All right, and I did film the cut. Sometimes on my videos, I know I send you guys to Instagram. I'm not going to do that very often if I can help it. sometimes I can't film the cut. I need to go ahead and cut it, and nobody's here to help film it. And there we go. Close up of some TULLELLOW. All right, and here we are upside down somehow. Oh, wait, no, we're not. And you guys see look at my kitty slippers. The other one has the cat's ass on it with the tail. No shit. I wish I would have gotten it in the shot. And here we go. And let me tell you something. This could not have turned out more perfectly if I had just begged it to do what I wanted. Is that not precious? That's TULLELLOW for that little man. And I will be selling the Neighbor series. I have, so the Nordic Goddess series, along with some randoms and Johnny Depp line and things like that. They are coming on my website very soon. Very, very soon. I'll drop a date, but just keep checking back on my website. My website's not updated yet, but it's lucynellsoaps.com. If you want to look through there, you may find something you like, and I may have it available. You never know until you try. All right, so there we go, guys. There's TULLELLOW. It turned out so cute. If you guys could. This is not me talking, I swear to God. If you guys could leave a like and subscribe, that would be great for my husband. And, continue to watch. Maybe look me up on Instagram just to see what's going on. And, yeah, I would really appreciate it. And if you leave comments, I'm going to try to start interacting. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I'm very bad at this. I'm really, making soap for the love of it. To sell it to people who want it, and to learn or to teach people how to make soap eventually. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Okay, bye.